All right, so here's the rig. We got a brand new $300 hose reel that I got off Amazon. I'm not sure what the brand is. Chemical tank, I'm not sure how many gallons it holds, with a much larger water tank. For the machine itself, we have a Mighty M 3000 PSI 5 GPM machine, cold water only. This was about $2,500 straight from the manufacturer, brand new. Along with that, we got the wand that came with it right here. It's kind of long. I'm kind of looking to get a new one with the J-rod with 4 different attachments. You can switch them up depending on the job. Of course, I got some extra hose, water hose, and then I've got my 20-inch surface cleaner. I got it on there with bungee cord. It's not really the best way to rig it up, but it works for now. I just got started this week. But yeah, this is about a $5,000 rig right here.